thing on this channel. We focus on beauty, fashion, hair, commentary, and much more. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and joining our community. So in today's video, I show you how to do this fun-filled summer hairstyle that consists of braids and a sew-in. So if you're interested in how I achieve this hairstyle, please stay tuned. Before we begin, let me just let you know I bought 3 packs of bundled hair, 26, 24, and 22. I sewed in all 3 packs, and then I had some human hair, braiding hair left over from the last time I braided my hair, and I used that for the top part of my braids. I braided. If you're not a braider or you don't know how to braid, by all means you can go to the shop and go get it braided, or you can always get a U-part wig. So you can put a U-part wig on and then do the braids at top, and the braids will actually cover their tracks, and I'll show you. So step 1 you want to start with is having multiple needles threaded. Make sure not to have them longer than this because it can get tedious with sewing in the track. And start with at the bottom of my hair with double tracks to just make it fuller. I'm going to try not to cut the wefts so the hair can stay intact, but in some areas I'm gonna have to cut it. Also, you want to start the first track with actually going through the weft. So push it through the weft 1 time. I like to do it 2 times. Creates this hoop, and I just put the needle in just to make sure that the thread doesn't come loose. And I only usually do this with the first and last track, under and over. That's how I sew it. I do not use a curved needle because it just doesn't feel natural to me. So I more so use a regular needle. And I haven't sewn, oh my God, the last time I've had maybe 15 years ago. I just been rocking wigs. So let's get started. So we finish with the sew-in, and this is where we are at. So now I have some human hair, braiding hair, that I've used before, and it looks like this because I washed it. I washed all of my hair. So I'm reusing some braiding hair that I already have to do the braids in the front to cover the tracks. So let's get started. Make traditional box braids, small, medium size. So I already parted it in the middle, parted my first row, and I'm gonna slightly braid it to the front. So when you braid it forward and you have slightly sparse edges, it kind of flows forward to kind of camouflage that, in my opinion. I'm gonna braid it all the way down to my real hair is no longer showing or peeping through. I'm not gonna leave like strands out because those strands tend to have gotten, especially with this hair, a little bit knotty. So I'm just gonna braid it and give it the illusion of boho. I'm not gonna leave any strands out in the actual braids, only the ends. So those are the first two braids. I'm gonna be back when I'm almost done. We're back, and this is the final product. So a few tips that I can give you. I did this in a 3-day process. I washed and braided my hair. That was one day. The second day I sewed in the hair, and then the third day I did the braids. If you have like a 3-day weekend, try to do it over the weekend. But it makes it, to me, makes it less tedious to break it up in 3 parts than try to do it all in one day. And so the total cost of this, I believe the hair was like $90, and yeah, $90 in 3 days. Well, the hair was $90. The bundles was $90. 3 packs of 26, 24, and 22 I got. So this is going to be a cute summer look. So I'm in my boho vibes, jeweled it up. So let me know if you have any questions. I am Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. Peace. We are out. Bye.